Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Trip.com and Agoda. Trip.com is a well-known travel booking platform that allows you to book hotels, flights, trains, and car rentals all in one place. It's designed with clean and simple interface, making it easy for users to search and compare prices. Trip.com often offers competitive prices, especially for Asian destinations, and includes exclusive member discounts. You can also earn trip coins on each booking, which you can later use for discounts on future trips. Their mobile app is user-friendly, and the 24/7 customer service is a plus for travelers. However, some users have noted that the refund or cancellation processes can take time depending on the hotel or airline's policy. Agoda is another popular booking site, especially famous for its wide range of hotels and apartments across Asia. It's known for offering secret deals and last-minute discounts that help travelers save money. Agoda's loyalty program, called Agoda Cash, lets you earn credits from your bookings, which can be used later to reduce the cost of future stays. The website provides filters for easy searching, clear price breakdowns, and options for both refundable and non-refundable rooms. While it's reliable, some users have reported slow responses for customer support during refund requests. Overall, both Trip.com and Agoda are excellent options for booking travel. Trip.com stands out for its complete travel services and international coverage, while Agoda is perfect for finding budget-friendly hotels and hidden deals. If you prefer booking everything from flights to hotels in one place, Trip.com is a better choice. But if you're mainly focused on saving money on accommodation, Agoda is one of the go for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.